Hey everybody, this is Ms. Ladd, and I have a quick demonstration for you guys this morning. Here I have open a digital paper. So from here, this is this particular digital paper. I click on that and it opens in a new tab. And here I'm going to go through lesson 1 on code.org. I'll show you that in just a moment. That's this thing right here. So if you remember, there's all these different website templates and they're labeled A, B, C, D, and E. So up here, I'm going to look at this and I'm going to read the item. And it says choosing the right web design. The list below represents potential clients. Your task is to recommend a particular template based on their needs. So Claire here says she's a wedding photographer and she wants to have a website that showcases all of her photos so that people can see all the pictures. So if we go back here and look at the different templates, which one of these templates do you think might be the most appropriate? Probably A, because it's a photo gallery. If we click through on that, we'll see what this website looks like in more detail, but I can see pretty clearly that this is just a bunch of photos. She wants to put her photos out for people to see. This is probably going to be the best template. So all you have to do is make a copy of it. So first thing, file, make a copy, and then you can rename it. So I would say instead of copy of, see where it says copy of right here, I'd put my name. And that's it. Make a copy. That again opens in a new tab, but you can distinguish between them pretty easily because this one will have your name on it and this one will not. You can just close that window. And then again, Claire, what template does she want? Probably A. And why did I pick this template? I'll just get rid of all of these lines. See how I'm doing that? I'll just delete. And I recommended this template because it has photos as the main subject. When that happens, see how that 2 just popped up? Don't worry about it. I'm more concerned about these answers than like the number of items here, right? Same thing here with creating your own design. You can kind of just go through this, decide who you want to work with. Do you want to work with Sierra with her animal rescue business, or do you want to work with Mario, who's kind of doing a travel blog? So that's up to you. You just say who it is that you want, and they need a way to do what, and in order to do what, and then it should be, your solution, whatever your solution is. So prepare, try, reflect. Okay, that's it. All of the other digital papers work the same way. You just need to make a copy, then you can edit it, then you can fill in the blanks here. And anytime you have a blank like this one, you'll just want to remove that blank and fill in your value. That's all I have for you for now. Happy coding, everyone.